Hi, this is MS Fatima Begum, Dr. MS Fatima Begum, Assistant Professor of History, GT North College, Tamil Nadu. Here I am going to explain you how to generate a certificate, auto-generated certificate by using the Certify-M add-on. Here, what is Certify-M? Certify-M is an add-on for Google Quizzes. If you want to have a Certify-M add-on, you must have a Gmail account. Gmail account is required to use the Certify-M add-on. By using this add-on, we can send only 100 certificates per day. If you are a G Suite paid user, you can send 1500 certificates per day. You are a paid user. After the limit, the exam stops accepting the responses from the respondent. What is Certify-M? Certify-M lets you leverage the power of Google Forms to create online certificates and email custom certificates to the participants. How to install this Certify-M add-on? First and foremost step is log into Google Forms. Then create a new form, or you can use the existing one. Next step is go to the three dots on the top of right hand side, which is in vertical shape. Just click that. There will be a preferences. By clicking that, you can download the Certify-M add-on and proceed further. How to install the same? See, those who did not install the same, go to G Suite Marketplace. There you can search, you can browse and select the Certify-M add-on. Here, already I told you that go to the top of the left hand side. There will be a three dot which is in vertical shape. While you clicking that, it will show this thing. You have to click this preferences to install the Certify-M add-on. See, those who did not download this, you go to G Suite Marketplace. There is various kinds of add-on. You can download which add-on is necessary. Here we are going to discuss about the Certify-M, so you have to download a Certify-M from G Suite Marketplace. Here I have installed the Certify-M. Then I have clicked this Certify-M. While I am clicking this, immediately the installing process will be begins. It is going to install the Certify-M app. Here you have to click this install. Next step is, while clicking the install button, the Certify-M add-on wants to access your Google account. So we have to give our access to the Certify-M, then we can proceed further. So I had given my access to the Certify-M. Next one is, after giving access, immediately it shows this Certify-M has been installed and you have to click the done. Next is, after you clicking done, the add-on will be appear in your screen. When you just click this add-on, the Certify-M will emerge. You have to click the same. Click Certify-M, a pop-up window will appear. It shows the Certify-M controls. See, the add-on is here. I'm going to explain the Certify-M controls. When I click this add-on, it shows this results. That is, show Certify-M controls. Recent certificates about Certify-M help. We know what is Certify-M. We are going to send certificates, so it is not necessary to go to this recent certificate. If there is any problem arose, we can use this. See, so certify M controls. We have to click the certify M controls. If you click that, it will source this thing. That will be status records passing template quota mode. You have to, first step is you have to turn on the certification status. Then you have to fix the passing percentage. There may be 0 to 100. You can fix your own passing percentage. It may be 40 or 50, 60. It depends upon you. And you can choose the template, which is a custom template. From here, so many templates is available. You can preview all by clicking this. You can send a sample to your mail by clicking this. I already told you that only 100 certificates will be generated per day. So it shows 100 mails remaining because I didn't send anyone. So then you have to click this advanced. While you clicking this advanced, before that I have to show you the model of this custom template. So it shows the details. Next to that, while I clicking that advanced, it shows the screen, advanced absence. There is a formal message. Thank you for your submission. If you pass, you will receive a printable certificate shortly. Next is exam option. Here I am going to write down the name of the sender. Here I am the sender. I have written down my name. I am the sender. I am the respondent. So here I have sent my sender name, and I have given my subject of the email, certificate of participation. In contents, I have write it down. Congratulations, find your certificate in attachment. After finishing this, I have to click save changes. Then only it will be saved. So next step is I am going to frame my quiz. Here, my title of my quiz is Indian Constitution. I had given the name, I had given the designation, I had given the institute. Then I have framed this question. The first question is who was appointed as a drafting committee leader for Constituent Assembly. The correct option is Ambedkar. I had given a correct answer in my Google form. Then when indeed Indian Constitution came into force, 1950, I had given the correct option in my Google form. Then I am going to send the same to the respondent. See, when I click the send option, immediately this window will pop up. Here, collect email addresses. I had given the respondent email ID. I had given the title of my quiz. I have invited them to fill in a form and include form in mail. So after finishing this, I click the send button. Immediately it will reach the participant. Here this is the participant screen. They will fill up their details, name, their designation, their institution, and other things they have filled. They have attended the quiz. After attending the quiz, this window will be pop up. Thanks for your submission. If you pass, you will receive a printable certificate shortly. So next step is the respondent. After responding the same, it will reach the organizer. In their screen, it shows the responses. After getting responses, the next step is you have to click this green color icon, that is a spreadsheet icon. After clicking that spreadsheet icon, you can Google asks you create a new spreadsheet. The name of the spreadsheet is Indian Constitution because the quiz title is Indian Constitution. Then you have to click create. Immediately the Google spreadsheet will be created. See, title of the quiz Indian Constitution, the date, time, the email ID of the respondent, the score of the respondent, their name, their designation, their institute, and their answers will be on the spreadsheet. After getting that, immediately the certificate will be generated. See, the custom certificate, custom template certificate. The certificate declares Dr. M.S. Fatima Beham, Assistant Professor, has completed Indian Constitution with a passing score of 67%. This is a custom template. If you want to create your own certificate, see, there is an option which is given by the Certify IAM add-on, that is known as merge tags. Already in previous video itself I have mentioned you how to merge tags for Certify IAM as well as for AutoCred. By using AutoCred, how can we include the name, their designation, their institution? In previous video itself I have told you. So see that video also. By using merge tags for Certify IAM, we can create the certificate. For that we have to give the tag. You can write full name with this tag, and title with tag, other identifier with tag, and date, percent, passing percent, points, and everything with tag. If we write it down, we can create our own certificate. So this video is mainly prepared to reach the unreached, because maximum of us must know how to generate the certificates by using the add-ons provided by the Google, particularly the AutoCred and Certify IAM. I think maximum of you will know what is the Certify IAM add-on after seeing this video. So I will request each and everyone to practice the same. Thank you so much.